Kajala Meglaya Hado Kashibaje Minski Jo Karatrek Unailur Aja Arpo, Kaladon Chispa and Ripu Kibio Tamayo COVID-19, but Chispa Life Wingwood Kibla Kodno. Nakini Chispa and Ripu Kibio Tamai, Hinyomwood Kidena East Giant Hills District, Chispa Arpasang would Kidena East Khas Hills District, Hakabasapasan would Kidena Armed Force at Paramilitary Force, but Nyob Kandang would Kiriu Padba. Khatsang would Nariboy District, Hakabaprang would Kidena Armed Force but Paramilitary Force, but Ndreung would Kiriu Padba. Sangwood na Southwest Khas Hills District, Kanyo wood na West Garo Hills District, Hakabandre wood Kidena Armed Force but Paramilitary Force, but Katwing would Kiriu Padba. Iway na East Garo Hills District, but Iway na West Khasi Hills District. Nagini Shispa Lai Puingut Kibakot Pat, Shipomut Kidena West Garo Hills District, Hakabasanwood Kidena Armed Force but Paramilitary Force, but Sanwood Kiriu Padba. Arpuingut Kidena West Khas Hills District, Kandaipu Armut Kidena East Khas Hills District, Hakabasau Puingut Kidena Armed Force at Paramilitary Force, but San Puingut Kiriu Padba. But Prangwood Kidena Riboy District. Dakajingo Thamai Kinikishis Pandri Prangut, but Kajin Koinok Shis Palai Puingut, Kajala Meglaya had opened me Yakanika Kubor, Kadan Lahaja and Ruspa Hasantali positive case, Shihaja Sanspa Nyopotaliki active case, Arhajar Arpotali recovered case, but Arpasanwood Kiblaklat no. Nakinik Shihaja Sanspa Nyopotaliki active case, Ka East Khas Hills District and Kandai Spark and Southali, Hakabashis Park and Pungut Kidena Armed Force at Paramilitary Force, but Praspa Soundwood Kiriu Padba. West Khas Hills District and Southali active case, Southwest Khas Hills District, Santali, Riboy District, Shispa Laipo, Hakabasapundri would Kidena Armed Force at Paramilitary Force, but Prab Sound would Kiriu Padba. West Giant Hills Kadan Kalaitali active case, East Giant Hills Shispa Sapundrio, West Garo Hills Arspa Harway, Hakaba Prabusan would Kidena Armed Force at Paramilitary Force, but Shispa Apundrio would Kiriu Padba. Southwest Garo Hills District and Prataliki active case, South Garo Hills Arpo, East Garo Hills Kanyo, but North Garo Hills Kadon Karataliki active case.
Karataliki September Arhajar Arpo Hado Shibaji Linski. The case ki batamai ki bangyo mentangsi gilong Shispa Ndre Fufra. Pada kini Shispa Ndre Fufra, East Giant Hills Nyo, East Khas Hills Shispa Arfusau, South Sun the Armed Forces, Paramilitary Forces, Nyo Fukundai Kidei Kiwi, Riboy Khatsau, Hagri Armed Forces, Paramilitary Forces, Ndre Kidei Kiwi, Southwest Khas Hills South, West Garo Hills, Kadnyo, Ndreugiri Armed Forces, Paramilitary Forces, Kadway, Giwe, East Garo Hills, Iwe, West Khas Hills, Iwe, Barok Lumlang, Kilong, Shihajar, Sanspa, Nyopo. Pada kini, Kandai Spa, Kandai Pusau, Gidan for East Khas Hills, Shispa, Kandai Po, Gidin Armed Forces, Paramilitary Forces, but Praspa Sao, Nagiwe. West Khas Hills Katsau, Southwest Khas Hills Sun, Riboy Shispa Laipo, South Hundre within the Armed Forces, Paramilitary Forces, but Prap Sao within the Giwe, Katlai within the West Giant Hills, Shispa South Hundre within the East Giant Hills, Aspa Hadway within the West Garo Hills, Prafusan Gidena the Armed Forces, Paramilitary Forces, but Chispa Arfundre Gidena Giwe. Southwest Garo Hills, Prap, South Garo Hills, Arfo, East Garo Hills, Kadnyo, North Garo Hills, Kata. Kibala recover Muntakasi, Kilong, Chispa, Lifeway. Pada kini Shispa Life Away, West Garo Hills Shipo, San Giriki Armed Forces, Paramilitary Forces, San Giriki West Khas Hills Arpuway, East Khas Hills Kandaipu Art, Southway Giriki Armed Forces, Paramilitary Forces, Sanfuway Giriki Riboy Pra. Baru kibala recover mentangsi gilong Arhajar Arpo. idan iwe baklat haka shpota rek step idan yo ko report min met but ki baklat baro ki lalong afsan ngot